this recipe, you will need an electric mixer, mixing bowls, measuring cups and measuring spoons, a spatula, a sifter, and a muffin tin with liners. The ingredients you will need for this recipe is half a cup of softened butter, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a cup of milk, half a cup of mashed blueberries, and 1.5 cups of whole blueberries. We used organic cane sugar and oat milk for this recipe, but you can substitute with what you have at home. Cream your butter and sugar until it is light. Add in your eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Add in your vanilla extract and mix well. Sift your flour, baking powder, and salt into the mixture. Pour in your milk. Mix everything together until it is well combined. Fold in your mashed blueberries. Once those are folded in, fold in your whole blueberries. This recipe is enough to make one 12-cup muffin tin. Bake at 375 for 30 to 35 minutes or until golden brown. Allow them to cool and enjoy.